Hello, my people. Welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, today I'll be showing you how to make the best turmeric powder at home from fresh turmeric roots. Yes, fresh turmeric roots. So you want to stick and stay for that? It's gonna be good. Now, before I go any further, one top benefit from including turmeric roots in your diet. Now, turmeric fights inflammation anywhere it's present in the body. So you would want to include more turmeric in your diet and fight inflammation. Yes, so remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. Yes. So if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscription button below. Yes. Leave me a nice thumbs up. And remember, don't forget to share. Now, I have also done a video that's all about the benefits of turmeric in your diet. So if you've missed out on that video, you can wait until the end of this video and click on the link, or you can check the description box below and I'll leave it just for you, so you can remind yourself of the benefits of including turmeric, more turmeric in your diet. The best turmeric powder from fresh turmeric roots. So here I have my fresh turmeric roots, and I am going to get them cleaned. That's the first thing that we do. We're going to get them washed and cleaned properly. And here we have the turmeric all washed, and then we will move on to cleaning them up and getting the scales off them. So after drying in the sun for 4 days, this is what the turmeric now looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it's really feeling crunchy. and nice. So after 4 days. And here you have it, the best homemade turmeric powder for all your needs. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome, informative, exciting Country Life video.